Welcome back at I Need Help at C-Square. In this example, we need to solve a system of equation of 3 variable and 3 equation. The first thing I do is to count the equation like this, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then I'm thinking about eliminating variables. So let's say you decide to eliminate x, and I'm going to take the first equation and the second first. And the first equation is 5x plus 4y minus 5z equals 16. And the second equation is 3x minus 5y plus 3z equals negative 14. And how do I eliminate x in these two equations? You have to look to these coefficients, these two numbers, and I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 3 and the second equation by positive 5, and let's see what we get. Again, let's see what these two equation becomes. So when we multiply the first equation by negative 3, we get negative 15x minus 12y plus 15z equals negative 48. Equation 2, if we multiply by 5, we get 15x minus 25y plus 15z equals negative 70. And now we're going to add these two equations, because if we add them, we get rid of this x. So that was the goal on this first part. And negative 12 plus negative 25, that means negative 37y, positive 15z plus positive 15z, that is positive 30z, and we have negative 48 plus negative 70, that will be negative 118. I'm going to call this equation number 4. I'm going to need this later. And now I'm going to go with equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 says 3x minus 5y plus 3z equals negative 14. And equation number 3 says 6x minus 3y plus 6z equals 0. So again, the same story. I want to eliminate x in this, and I can use the same coefficient 3 and 6, but the easiest way here is to multiply the second equation by negative 2. Let's see what's happened, and keep the third one, in fact. So the equation number 2 becomes negative 6x plus 10y minus 6z equals positive 28, and the equation number 3 will stay the same, 6x minus 3y plus 6z equal 0. And now you're going to see the reason I multiply by this negative 2 is because this guy cancel out, and then we have 10y plus negative 3y, that will be 7y. And oh, moreover, these two guys cancel out. I didn't expect that, but that's easy, great. And here we have 28. So divide by 7 now, and we have an y of 4. Now, what else I can do now? I can go back very fast and number 4, if you remember. Plug 4 here and get z. So let's see how that looks like. We have negative 37 times that y times that 4 plus 30z equals negative 118. So we have to do negative 37 times 4 That is negative 148 plus 30z equals negative 118. We're going to add 148 on each side. That will give us 30z equals 30. And divide by 30, we have z equals 1. And now the only thing we need to find out is x. So we can go in any of these equations we start with, 1, 2, and 3, and replace z and y and get x. So I will take the first one, but you can take the second one, you can take the third one. So we have 5x plus 4y, so 4 times 4, minus 5 times z, 5z, right? 5 times 1 equals 16. So we're going to have here 5x plus 16 minus 6 equals 16. So we're going to have 5x plus 10 equal 16. And in fact this is 5 here, sorry. So plus 11 equals 16, subtract 11, that means 5x equal 5, divide by 5, and x equals 1. So we have x equals 1, y equals 4, z equals 1. We can write the solution in this format. X is 1, y is 4, z is 1. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button. But also let's take a look a little bit on the next slide. I forgot about this. This is a graphical approach, and you see here 3 planes. These 3 planes intersecting this point. That is the solution. I use the GeoGebra app. You can find this in the description, if you want to see this graphical approach, and you put the equation in the GeoGebra app. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C Square for more help. Thank you.